Gentlemen, your girl is back. So y'all know how we like to try to share a little bit of stuff with you guys. So today I'm going to be focusing on masks. And before we get to that though, I want to shout out our buddy Shore Shannon from the Shore Shannon Show. He actually sent us, he guys, I can't say, I gotta say the real masters, Anyway, our buddy from the Shore Shannon Show, he sent us a little button and a sticker from the Shore Shannon Show. Yeah, shout him out, you guys. Here's all his social media. He is the Funko Pop King. Y'all see him as a Funko Pop? He is the Funko Pop King, okay? So y'all go on over there, shout your boy out, like his video, share him out, holler at him. And he sent us a little button. Yes, sir. So I'm going to wear this button throughout the video. Y'all holler at your boy so he can sing y'all one too. Y'all got to be on the special Shore Shannon friend list to get a button. But anyway. So today, my video also entails talking about some masks. I ordered some more masks because you guys know with all this stuff going on and we got to make it through the winter. I just wanted some different designs, but I also want to deal with safety. So I wanted to tell you guys who I ordered these from. I did order them off of Amazon, but when I went to go look for these guys yesterday, they took their store down. I don't know if Amazon did it or they did it. But anyway, I ordered K9 masks from them. And I was a little frustrated when I first took it out. Because I'm like, this is not a real K9 mask. But to be honest, it's pretty good. It's just a little thinner. The K9, the real K9, this is the knockoff one. And the reason why I know is, like I said, the material is different. It doesn't feel like high quality. But, see, it has KN95. I'm sorry, KN95 is the name of the mask. So, the ear holders are pretty great though. And this is how it looks on. It also has the nose thing. So it fits so like a comb. And, it's protecting you here. I can breathe in this. I can talk in it. I hope you guys can hear me really well. I don't sound muffled. And I actually don't have to worry about pushing this under my glasses like I do with most masks. So this is I bought this a set of, I want to say 20 off of Amazon for about 20, was it? Or is it 10? It might be 10. 10 for 20. I think they were like $2 each, if I'm not mistaken. Let me count real quick. Yeah, so it was 10 for, oh, he did leave his information. He said 20% off your next order, but so for some reason his thing is taken down. So I got 10 of them for $19.85, and I feel like they worth it. This is actually the real K9 mask, so I really just wanted to do a comparison for you guys, which through the camera, y'all might not be able to even see it, the difference between the two. But this K9 mask is made a little thicker. The material feels a little better. And as you see, the nose bridge is on the outside. Again, the ears are great, so it don't feel like it's putting pressure. Because I don't know about you guys, but after wearing these things for a while, you feel like pressure behind your ears and things like that. But this is how the K9 mask looks. See, it looks very similar. It's just the real one is made from a better, like, soothing, silkier feeling material. But anyway, I still will have to shout him out. It's a U.S. medical grade. He's on Amazon. Again, they took his channel down. So, I mean, his store down. U.S. Medical Pro was the name. If y'all wanted to go search, maybe he just was down for a day or something. I don't know. But I went yesterday to go look on there. I didn't even have a chance to leave him a review because I wanted to do this video first. So anywho, that's it for that mask review. And I don't know if he's going to combine these, but I am going to do another mask review. My next mask review It's for these ones. I bought these. I wanted some pretty or better looking masks, and I bought these designer masks um, from. Oh man, I should have pulled them up before I got on camera. I think they call Ink and Screened. Let me look them up for you guys really quickly. Yep, I'll be on Amazon like that. It shouldn't take me that long. But anyway, while that's coming up, that is one. I think I got them four for about $10, I think. This one is a really nice looking one. I am a little disappointed in them, only because these masks are made of some kind of silk material. The cool part about it is they do have the filter thing in the back, and the strings that go around the ears are actually pretty flexible, it seems like. So they tied a knot or something in one end, and then you, of course, push that down in there. And then you have a little flat piece here, if y'all can see that, where it helps you do the adjustment. You know, you pull it out or put it in some. Yours. So anyway, this one actually I already put the filter. Now the thing I didn't like, again, is that this is made out of that silky material, and this person didn't take the time to like put the filters in a plastic bag. So this is what the mask looks like on. I already have a filter in this one. I'm gonna try it so you guys can see. This is how, now it fits pretty snug around the face, that part. The only thing I don't like is the bottom. I feel like it's still exposed a little bit. But these masks came from, in case y'all wanted to check it out, again, they're made from like silky material. It's inked, yeah, I was right, inked and screen. Try to show you guys. Stop, what are you doing, phone? That's what it looked like. Okay, it looks like they went up already to $13, but I think I had got mine for $10, somewhere in that price range. These are the new mask I got. Just trying to do something different. I got filters. I am the queen of filters, you guys. I even use these with the regular disposable, like hospital looking masks. I stick these in there. It just makes you feel more secure and really like they're covering something, because a lot of these masks, you can like breathe straight through them. I mean, just because you're covered and you might not be giving off as many germs, but you're still giving off germs, and to me can take in germs if you're breathing it. But anyway, you guys know, as y'all probably seen on many videos of ours, that this is my favorite mask, this style of mask here. And I guess that's why I'm a bit disappointed in these, because I'm in love with this. This mask also has a filter pocket, so I always keep a filter in them, but also they fit like a glove around your face. You actually feel like you're secure and you're not catching anything, especially you guys, the winter is fast approaching. So please guys, wear your mask. I know a lot of people just are frustrated with them, they're tired of them, but you know, you got to do things decent and in order, and sometimes we have to do the things that's uncomfortable to stay safe. You know, what would you tell your kids? And I think it's so interesting that it's a struggle for kids like under 5, I believe. They don't require them to wear them, but then they're being exposed to everything that we're protecting ourselves from. So you really have to debate how you guys want to handle that. But anyway, this was a review of masks. I thank you guys as always for watching us and supporting us, hanging out with me when I do my reviews. I hope you guys can comment down below. Tell me about your mask experience. Tell me which ones you have, which ones you love, which ones you hate. Do y'all use filters? Do you just stick with the disposables? Do you not just care enough? You just wear it in the store because it's part of the rules. Let's talk about that down below. You guys, as always, I ask you to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch our other 2 channels. This video is probably going to be featured on our Thomas channel, Thomas family channel. We also have the Real Nesters. Also, we have Guru James. My husband works really hard on gaming. He's been a gamer for many years, and he decided to share it with the world. So even though you guys might not specifically watch it, you can share them out to your husband and friends. But anyway, can you give some thumbs up. Hit that little bell so that you can get notifications of when our videos pop up. Follow us on social media at The Real Nesters. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.